Hey guys, we received this ZK-1002T Bluetooth 5.0 stereo amplifier board for test and try. 200W HiFi 2.0 channel mini audio amp module with the treble and bass control. You can see like the still small this amplifier board is have a AUX input DC 12W to 24W for DIY speakers, car or home studio. So this is the model, this is the plate to cover it and have all the accessories. So I will show you it have this treble control, bass control and the volume button. So here they are the buttons, you can just cover this with this cap. So they are the treble, bass and volume control, and there is the AUX input and the left channel output. So here like you can easily put this, but be careful because it's a board, so you want to be careful a little bit. And then this have this AUX input and the other input. So there is a right channel output and the power input, and also the AUX input and the left channel output. So this is the plate that cover on top of it. So the nut bolts and everything is provided, so you can easily close this. So this have a large heat sink, dual TPA 3116 D2 chip and treble and bass control. So you can just put it like this cover, and then you can just screw them up and put the screws which is supplied by it. So this is a nice thing that you can put, and you can of course see like what is like the total things, and all these buttons and stuff for both the sides, and yeah, enjoy the speaker.